Hello, good morning, traders. We just bank amazing profit in gold. As you know, the situation of the dollar. So this morning, as you can see here, our bias is long on dollar against the dollar. So you can see here this morning, just before London Open, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So technically, we're looking at pullback. The safest trade was around this level, as you can see here. Based on this analysis, price nicely broken this previous high. You can see here this level. We have taken this long, and as soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the fifth channel, we bank amazing profit. Now we are expecting here another pullback long at this level. Let's see how that's gonna go. But as you can see here, based on this analysis, once we bank some profit, as that's what I mentioned to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, guys, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.